Oh shit!
Run, Cowboy!
Stop! Damn it, this is cold! Go!
Oh, I wanted to tip over so bad. I wanted to tip over. I do.
Surprised it hardly floats.
Pull forward a little bit more.
Pull forward!
Let's do this! Oh shit!
What just happened there? What just happened? He broke it.
Hey, that wasn't half bad. Let's do that again.